Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install 2xko game on your PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, go to this riotgames.com website. I will provide this link in my video description. And then in the home page you will see 2xko game season 1 live on PC and console. And then here we'll see play now button. So click on this play now button. And then click on play for free. And then click on PC option. And then you will see download for Windows. So click on this download for Windows. And here you will see 2xko exe file is getting downloaded. Now once it is downloaded, click on it. Click yes to allow. And then click on install button. Click yes to allow. And then you can see the game has been added to the right client. And then here you can click on this install button. Click on install again. And here you can see it is preparing downloading. Now here you can see 2xko game is getting downloaded and installed on my PC. So by this way you can easily download and install 2xko game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.